There is this tool, which is also a reference in the universe of stripping cables, with a big advantage of having a long sustainability. This is a very reliable tool. Another advantage is that this tool is adapted to all sizes of wires. So you can use it either for the 1.5 or the 2.5 or maybe even bigger. This I didn't test. You can fix the setting for this tool by using this little screw. So you can reduce it to the maximum, or you can maximize it to a bigger size. And you will test with your wires, and once you find the right size, you block it with this ring here, and now it won't move anymore. So the best is for making the right settings is to take the plier and then check the level of openness, and it shouldn't have any resistance when pulling out the cable. So nevertheless, I think this here is too big. So I will use it as I have shown. I'm pulling this back and I'm blocking again. And now let's see how this is working. And here it's slightly held, still a little bit too much. Still a bit too much. Now it's not held at all. I will reduce slightly. Now there's a slight resistance. And then for the demo, you take the wire, you put the plier on it, you close, give a turn, and then you pull. So for me, the Jacari is much easier to work with than with the plier I just showed you.